Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to unbox and review the Elofic EK-5012, which is an air filter for Maruti Suzuki Alto and Wagon. But before we start the unboxing, let's first understand what an air filter is and how do they work. Air filter is a component that helps to confine the entry of debris like leaves, bugs, dust, soot and other foreign particles into the engine's delicate system. These dirt and other particles may adversely affect the longevity of the engine parts and cause wear and tear to the engine as well. Putting it in simple words, compare the air filter to your nose. As your nose filters out any foreign particles before the air reaches your lungs, ensuring that the respiratory system functions properly. Engine air filter might not be the first thing that comes into a person's mind while talking about the engines, but it plays a vital role in keeping your vehicle healthy. Now let's quickly check out what's inside this box. Now this is an air filter element for Maruti Suzuki Alto and Wagon. Now as you can see, this filter has a box construction which has a very neat finish. The black frame holds the main media filter and this frame is made up of virgin plastic for better durability of the filter. This frame is surrounded by a compatible gasket which gives it a better sealing with the filter box. So it is very easy to install this filter. You have just two clamps which you open and just put the filter inside. This side stays down, this side stays up, and this is the side where the air is sucked in from, and this side delivers it to the engine. Elofic uses a very high quality material for the filter media to provide efficient and effective filtration of air going to the engine. These media filters have a very high dirt holding capacity so that you need not worry of changing your engine air filter frequently. The uniform pleating and paper quality ensures that the pressure on the surface of the filter is evenly distributed so that the maximum dirt particles are captured on the filter. Unlike the spurious filters where the pleating and the paper quality is not uniform throughout the filter media, which may lead to improper filtration of air, quick clogging of filter media that creates resistance in the flow of air to the engine, which may lead to stalling or even tear the filter due to the increased pressure. This may allow the unfiltered air to enter the combustion chamber, which may increase the wear and tear of your engine. This filter from Elofic is environment friendly and ensures that more than 99% of even the finest particles are filtered out with the help of this high quality filter media, ensuring a longer life of your engine. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to fit your vehicles with Elofic filters for a longer and healthier life of your engine. We'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, make the right decision and keep the dirt out.